Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get the best lead generation strategy using Apollo IO. And right now, as you can see, I'm currently inside Google Maps. Specifically, this is the Philippines, because I want to highlight this country right here and use it as a sample in getting leads. So by default, you might ask me, how come I'm inside Google Maps? Because this is the manual way of creating leads, or rather the most famous way or process on generating leads. So for example, in Google Maps, I'm gonna type in, let's just say, trainers, or more specifically, gym trainer. And you'll see right here, I have a lot of gym trainers right here. If I click on them manually, I'm gonna have the leads. I'll have the email, the address, and so on and so forth. And the pros and cons about this one is that sometimes there are results that doesn't have the number or email, which is pretty tiresome. This is going to be trial and error. So that's why I'm going to introduce to you guys Apollo. So let's get on the website right now. So welcome to Apollo. Basically, this is a lead generation website. And for it to be fully utilized, there are a lot of sections right here. But for this video, we're only going to focus on lead gen, or rather searching out leads. There are a lot of things to tackle here to take over. We can just cover them up on the next video for a full tutorial. Anyway, with this one, make sure you click on search. Once you're here, you'll see a lot of things inside it. You have people, companies, and saved list. Basically, saved list, this is your personal preference or library on the people or companies you have saved. And then go back to people, because we're going to focus on people only. And with the side people, you also have saved searches. But for now, we're gonna start from scratch. And by the way, this is a free trial as of now. This is, I think, $50 or $55 per month for the paid subscription. And we're just gonna utilize the free subscription right now. Let's try typing gym trainer. And with that, we have narrowed it down to 6,000. Remember earlier, it's on the million. Let's go back on the million to check it. So we have 276.2 million without anything yet. So after clicking gym trainer one more time, we have narrowed it down to 6,000. But this is still a lot of numbers. For example, I'm going to try and narrow it down to hundreds or maybe only 1,000. Now, to narrow it down, we're going to apply filters. The first filter we're going to apply is location. So for the location, currently right now, that's why it's only trimmed down to 6,000. It is currently auto-detecting my current location, which is in the Manila. And then to fully utilize this one, let's just say for this one, let's just say United States. And you have 1.9K right now. And then to make it more narrowed down or to filter it properly, you can select zip code, radius, or exclude locations. Let's just say if you want to exclude North America, and you only have 0 right here. So if you remove that one, you still have 1,900. You can select the zip code right here. You have to lessen it for 25 miles, and we have 6K. And for this one, let's just say, just for discussion purposes, I'm gonna type in 1001. I only have 141 now. This is the zip code for New York. So we already utilized location. Let's try using the email status to make sure we have it working. This one right here. And send emails with confidence. I don't need that as of now. But for now, for email status, I want it to be verified. The reason to that is that we only need email that are verified. It's pretty useless, or rather pointless plan or attack if you're gonna email or generate leads with emails that aren't really working. So with that, we only narrowed down to 29. After verifying the email or clicking verified email, you can check each one of them right now. Since we already narrowed into 29, you can click on each of them, access email. So you can apply first. Go dismiss right there. So remove that one. And with this one, this is the email. So we're currently verifying, and there we have it. This is the email of this specific lead, or Sarah Daniels. So you can use this one as a cold calling or email to fully naturalize the Google leads, or rather the generation leads. Now, for example, you want to export it right now, you're satisfied with this 29 new lead, make sure you click on this box right here. And then select the number of people. I'm gonna go with 25 for this by default. And max people per company. Now this person right here, or this option, gives you the choice to only choose one person each company. For example, let's say here, this is gonna be Amazon. And let's just say, for discussion purposes, this one right here is still Amazon, but there are different trainers. So we're just gonna choose one of them. And by default, it's always gonna choose the first one on the list. So I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna put this on unchecked. So I have so much leads and multiple lead section. So I'm gonna apply a section right there. Once it's checked, I can simply click on export. And I'm gonna have this option right here, export all emails or export verified mails only. I'm gonna go for all emails and click on save. And now it's exporting. So exporting in progress, you're exporting a large number of records. And there we have it, it has been finished. Now you might ask me, where can we find it? So to find it, go back again and click on the apply section. Because this is a bit of a bug for me where you can't really find the download option. So click on export. And with this one, go to view export history. You'll open up a new tab where you can find your previously exported session. And this is the option where you can download it manually. So once downloaded, you're gonna open it on Excel. Open it via Excel right there. So welcome back to the video. Here's our generation list as of now as a downloaded Excel file or CSV file from Apollo. And basically that's it. So for me, before I end this video, my conclusion would be Apollo is a pretty good website. And to finish it off, let's check the pricing. So this is gonna be the pricing, and as of now, we have the free trial. We have unlimited email credits, which is gonna be 10,000 month per account. 120 export credits per year. Take note that is per year. We can only export 120 times a year. That is a very small number. So 60 mobile numbers credits for a year, and that is also per year. For me, that is a pretty low number. So for basic, $49, professional, $79, organization is $119. And I think the free version is still a good one if you're still testing the waters or trying out Apollo. Anyway, here are the list for you for the prices. And that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.